Hi guys and welcome to my channel. Myself Dr. Akshay, and in today's session I'm gonna be discussing about the topic apoptosis. If you guys want to learn more about the cell, its structure and its functions, then click subscribe and the bell icon. So let's do this together. Coming to the topic apoptosis, when cells are no longer needed or when cells become a threat to the organism, the cells itself will undergo a programmed cell death. So this programmed cell death is known as apoptosis. And this process called apoptosis undergoes a proteolytic cascade. And this cascade causes the cells to shrink, condense, disassemble its cytoskeleton, and thereby altering its cell surface. So this shrinking, condensing, disassembling cytoskeleton, and thereby altering its cell surface leads to the attachment of neighboring phagocytic cells over its membrane, and thus digesting that damaged apoptic cell. So you can see in this figure that this is a normal cell. So in this proteolytic cascade, you can see that the cell starts shrinking and its chromatin start condensing. And after that, you can see the cell membrane starts blobbing. And you can see here also this nucleus and organelles are collapsing. Can you see any organelles here? No, it starts collapsing. And here also you can see this membrane starts blobbing even more. And at last you can see formation of these apoptic bodies. You can see these are the apoptic bodies. After the formation of these apoptic bodies, you can see these neighboring phagocytic cells getting attached over to these apoptic cell bodies. So what's the difference between necrosis and apoptosis? In apoptosis, as you have seen, here programmed cell death has occurred. Whereas in necrosis, no programmed cell death occurs. And the second difference is that in apoptosis process, you can see these macrophages of neighboring cells will engulf these apoptic cells. Thereby, the cells will not release its contents. Whereas in necrosis, the cells will directly extrude its contents to the neighboring cells, thereby causing injury and inflammation to these neighboring cells. And this apoptosis process is initiated by a family of proteases enzymes. And these family of proteases enzymes are known as caspases. So caspases are enzymes that are stored and is synthesized by the cells in an inactive form. And this inactive form of caspases are known as procaspases. So once these caspases enzymes are activated, these activated enzymes will cleave and activate other procaspases enzymes. So this leads to the triggering of cascade of reactions. And these cascade of reactions breaks down the proteins which are present within the cell. So thus the cell dismantles itself and its remainings are digested by the neighboring phagocytic cells. And this programmed cell death is balanced by the formation of new cells in a normal healthy individual. Recent studies suggest that abnormality in this apoptosis process can lead to neurodegenerative disorders such as Alzheimer's disease, several autoimmune disorders, and even cancer also. Some drugs which are used in successful chemotherapy induces apoptosis process in cancerous cells. So that covers the topic apoptosis. I hope you guys learned about this particular topic. Thank you so much guys. Love you all guys. See you guys in the next session.